In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and animate shape graphics in Adobe Premiere Pro using the Essential Graphics panel. We'll start by opening the right workspace. In Premiere Pro, head up to the Window menu and choose Essential Graphics. This brings up the panel where you'll build and style your shapes. If you like to keep things tidy, dock this panel near your program monitor so you can see edits update in real time as you work. Next, let's create the graphic itself. In the Essential Graphics panel, click New Layer and choose Rectangle, Ellipse, or Polygon. As soon as you pick a shape, it appears directly in the program monitor and a new graphic item is created on your timeline. Don't worry about perfection yet. We'll dial in the look and placement in a moment. Now, customize the appearance. In the Appearance section of Essential Graphics, start with Fill. You can use a solid color for clean, flat design, or switch to a gradient for a more dimensional look. If you need a see-through object, remove the fill entirely, then adjust the stroke to add an outline, set its color and thickness to match your style. A slimmer stroke tends to feel subtle and modern, while a thicker stroke is great for callouts. Finally, control opacity to set how transparent the shape should be. Lower opacity helps you overlay graphics on footage without blocking important details. With the look defined, it's time to size and position. Use the selection tool to click the shape in the program monitor, then drag the edges to resize and move it where you want. Holding Shift while you drag helps maintain proportions. For precise placement, open Effect Controls with the graphic selected and adjust position and scale numerically. This is especially helpful when you need multiple shapes to match exactly. If you want a bit of motion, you can animate. In Effect Controls, toggle the stopwatch next to Position, Scale, or Opacity to enable animation. Move the playhead to a later point in time, then change the value. Premiere automatically creates keyframes and your shape will move, grow, or fade between them. Keep your animations smooth and simple so they enhance your edit without distracting from the story. That's the whole workflow. Open Essential Graphics, add a shape, customize fill, stroke, and opacity, resize and position it, and animate if you need movement. With these tools, you can quickly build clean lower thirds, callouts, or background elements